Hi everyone, James again from Soundmaster. Today I have before you the Soundmaster MG16XU Mixer. This is a perfect mixer for recording your live recordings, doing live streaming, because it's fitted with USB audio that you can connect directly into your computer. This mixer is a perfect mixer for mixing everything. It can mix up your life, it can mix up your emotions, and most importantly, it can mix up your music, making you a what? A Soundmaster. Head on over to www.soundmasterkenya.com to see our Soundmaster MG16XU Mixer, among other products. You can also visit us at our shop along Moy Avenue, opposite Tembo Cop House, ground floor. See you there.